It's Saturday, about 12:51. I'm gonna try to give my son a call real quick before I go and do the first of two shows today. We have a show at 2 and a show at 7:30 this evening. I've been trying to get in contact with him all week and have not been able to speak to him. And I know he's been having some issues at school, saying that he misses me and he's, been crying a lot and everything. So I'm gonna try one more time and hopefully I get in touch with him. Hey, dude. I'll be back in a few weeks, buddy. It's 2 shows today. Yeah. What are you up to? Yeah, I've been trying to get in touch with you all week, buddy. Okay, that's fine. That makes me feel so much better that I got a chance to talk to him. So now I can go do the show, clear mind, heart is full now, and today's gonna be a good day. Man, talking to myself makes me feel so much better. That's such a good movie now. On here for Fight Call. We gonna have a good day today. Sunday, final show of the week. Have a 2 o'clock matinee, so I'm leaving now to go do Fight Call. Yeah, it's a little chilly out here today. And then after that, we have tomorrow off. And then we don't have another show again until Tuesday night at 7:30, I believe. Almost 2 full days off. But I'm feeling good. We had a good first weekend, a good opening weekend. And we're just gonna keep the momentum rolling and knock this one out and have a great rest of the day. Playoff football is today. It's been kind of gross the past week. I mean, I know it's winter and all, but damn. It's Tuesday here in Fayetteville, and we just received word around 9 a.m. this morning that our show tonight is going to be canceled due to the weather that you just saw outside. So all I'm here to do is do the show. What am I gonna do with my free night? I guess I could watch the UK basketball game, or I could spit some bars. No contemplation, just complete the mission. Watermelon and chicken and white women have distorted your vision. Can't take the heat, then get your ass about this house, cause it's hot and it's loud in every room, especially in the kitchen.
You know, sombrero, amid the barrel that keeps it thorough. It's Sandra Sun with the silver tongue and the proudest pharaoh. I got a lot on my mind, sometimes it gets a little heavy. If I let it with yet I'm still a light-hearted fella. I likes to eat the pudding when I see you shake your jello. I hate to say goodbye, but when you leave it, ask the hella. You let me bust it down before I get to pimping. You think I'm tripping for wearing the rubber just to keep us from slipping. But don't it feel good to be a cannibal? Cannibals laughable, it's the way of problems are handled. I hold a metal in this fire and burning up from my feet to my knees to my cheeks, and I will bleed to inspire. And while I expire from the stress of mine, home was broken, I wrote a note in the X-Files. You want attention for showing your ass and titties on Instagram and get livid when a man wants to say hi. Can't speak freely, everything's critique. My little buddy just killed his cousin in these mean streets. Heard he was selling his sister to all these devilish misses. Eulogize him, and I'm the guy that you say is a sinner. Shit, man, I'm a walking contradiction. I don't stop after I listen. I keep going to the end. Because you said complete the mission. I just do what you just wishing. You have talent, I am gifted. You'll believe me, there's a difference. I went from wearing husky to hussy, lusting for back shot. Baby mama jacked me, we had to catch him in the stash spot. Catch me looking fly in a boat, Tahoe and Ascot. Fake it till I make it like heaven, but I'm a had.
Jones.
Woo. Fake it till I make it like heaven when I'm a had.
It's Wednesday morning. What day of the week is it? Wednesday. And it looks like there's still a lot of snow and ice outside on the roads here in Fayetteville. Our stage manager, Megan, just emailed us and told us that there's still no word on whether we'll have our rehearsal this morning or this afternoon. And there's no word on the show tonight. Last night's show was canceled. It's my first cancellation of this run due to the weather. And my friend Brad Marquis, who was supposed to perform at Walton Arts Center on Monday night, his show was postponed. But I know the weather's supposed to warm up and all this should be melted and gone by the weekend. But right now, we're just kind of staying warm and cozy and wait until we can get back out there and do the damn thing. Yo, it is slippery out here in these Fayetteville streets. But we are getting a little stroll, you know, get some fresh air, see what the roads are like, and what's keeping the people away from the show. But man, look at these roads, man. This is wild. So it looks like the roads are starting to clear up a little bit, but it's still kind of slippery out here. And there aren't many vehicles on the road. So I don't know if things are going to open up and we're going to do rehearsal today and then have the show tonight, or if they're just going to err on the side of caution and let it take one more day for things to warm up and let some of this ice and snow melt. We'll see. I guess they didn't want to stop. There you have it. Went out and took a little stroll. It's cold, slippery. Go back in here and warm up and figure out what the plan is for the rest of the day. I'm gonna try and talk to Gavin here for a few minutes. It's my night off, and hopefully I get in touch with him while I'm cooking dinner. Like no luck again tonight. I've been able to talk to him for about 2 minutes at a time. When I do get a chance to talk to him, about 2 to 5 minutes. So I'm hoping that maybe his mother sees the missed call and lets him call me back. Otherwise, I gotta try again and just keep on trying, you know. Buddy, when you see this, I just want you to know I try every single day to talk to you, and I can't wait to get back to you so we can resume life as normal. I miss you and I love you, and I'm very proud of you. We're gonna be together soon. Oh. It's Thursday, and we get to do the show today. So we're gonna go do a cover rehearsal for the crew, which starts at, I gotta be there at 2:30 and it's 2:24. So I'm gonna run over, do this now for Fight Call. Then we do a run through of the show. Then we have our first show, which feels like it's our first show in like a week. Technically it is. We haven't done the show at all this week due to the weather outside. Also, I'm having some luck with the apartment search. Keep your fingers crossed for your boy. I'll keep you posted. Our run through is going pretty well today. Getting ready to go back out here and get ready for the second act. Posters we had to sign. So I just had the virtual tour of an apartment that I did not ask about. I asked about a different apartment and was shown something completely different. And I wasn't even shown the apartment because the apartment I was shown didn't have electricity. So I was literally looking at someone walk around in the dark, describing the room, describing the fixtures, describing the bathroom, and describing what the bedroom would look like. And then on top of that, the apartment that I was shown was more expensive than the one I actually inquired about. You gotta love remote apartment hunting for New York City. I gotta keep searching. Getting ready to go do our first show of the week, and it's Thursday. Gotta get out of here, 6:55, half hours at 7. Good thing we're only 2 minute walk away from here, but it's slippery out there, so I have to be careful. Before I go, do me a favor, hit that like button and the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you can catch all my latest content right here on YouTube. About 6 o'clock in the evening here in Fayetteville, and we have another show to do tonight. Today was a pretty chill day. I just kind of took it easy, relaxed a little bit, tried to take a little nap, and was really into my apartment search. I've been having some weird, unfortunate luck when it comes to this search. I haven't moved in almost 10 years, so I forgot how stressful and how much of a pain in the ass it is to move in New York City. Scam artists left and right, brokers and realtors just want to make a quick buck off of you, charging you $200 for an application fee and then $20 for a credit check on top of the security deposit. So for those of you who are thinking of moving to New York and you're trying to do so remotely, good luck to you. Going in to do the first of 2 shows today. We are 1 show down. We got 1 more to go for the day. So I'm gonna run upstairs and get some food. Watch a little basketball and just cool out a little bit. Cool out and listen to it. No. That's a little nod to common sense for those of you who are hip hop heads. But yeah, it's a really nice Saturday out here. Snow's almost gone. You guys remember how a couple of episodes ago I said I wanted to make a hip hop EP? Well, the verse that I sent you guys, or had in the last episode, I sent it out to a couple of people and they listened to it and they gave me some feedback, and some folks said that they really liked it and that I had bars, and then a couple of people said I need to work on my flow. But what I want you to understand is that regardless of the feedback that you receive, never stop working on your passion. Never stop pursuing your passion. For me, I'm passionate about hip hop. I know it's hard to believe. You see me in my button downs and my sweaters, and you see me playing with Gavin, and I'm well spoken, and I'm not from the hood. I don't walk, talk, even present like I'm hood. But I love guys who have bars. I feel like I have bars. I feel like I have a skill that I'm able to rhyme words. And, you know, I mean, I could be seen as a corny dude, but I'm not worried about that. I'm 41 years old. I'm not worried about being corny or being cool or being any of those things. I'm just doing this because I love to do it. Today, on my dinner break, I'm going to use this time. Notice I didn't say free time, because to me, there is no such thing as free time. Time is the most precious commodity that we have, and how you choose to spend it will determine what you get out of your life. Today, I'm using my time on my dinner break to listen to some beats and just practice rhyming. I've got some rhymes in my head, I've got some rhymes written down, and I'm just gonna work at it until we're called to go to do the show again, show number 2 tonight. So let's see what happens. Yeah. Check it. No tattletales, try to get them in trouble, you'll be in trouble yourself. My mama told me my cousin was groping below my belt, had me sucking a titty all alone in the house. We were playing house by ourselves. Go play with David. David's gay and he's trying to get me to play under blankets. Don't wanna see your penis, I mean it, put that away. Shit, my brother's coming, just finished humping my cousin's nameless. I can't explain it, the pain is shaming. I was wet in the bed at 11, adolescent, no one to play with. Friends owned by the girls, I'm not complaining. Now that I'm older, they'll hope when I come back home to rename it. When I'm alone, the solitude is confinement. Then find my phone to find the news to be reminded. My high is in the palm of my hand. My vices are calling again. My life is to fight with all of my sins. Release. It's the last show of the week. We're here at intermission, and I'm about to go back out for the second act. Places for the top of Act 2 has just been called. So I'm just sitting here getting a little bit more rest, and then have a day off tomorrow, chill out, and get ready to do it all again on Tuesday. We out here in these Arkansas streets, in these Fayetteville streets, trying to get to Walmart. Sometimes you gotta go and buy a couple things, get you some groceries, get you some vittles, you know, and that's what we're out here doing. So we had a good show today. It's Sunday. great matinee, great audience. Thank you guys so much for coming. Also, do me a favor and hit that like button and the subscribe button, as well as the notification bell, so you can catch all my latest content right here on YouTube. Pulling into Walmart right now. And then we're going to go back, cook some food, chill out.